Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to automatically create local landing pages for locations around your store, restaurant, or service business automatically. So for example, if your main location is in Berlin, Germany, but your service also stretches to the outskirts of Berlin, you can easily target all small cities around Berlin with this, so people from these cities can also find you in their Google search and boost your local SEO. Getting started is very easy. First, you need a template page which will decide on how the resulting pages for each city will look like. I will give this the title My Service in City, where city needs to be in curly brackets to indicate a placeholder. In this case, I am using the Elementor page builder to build the template page, but it works with nearly all themes and page builders. I am using the placeholder city on this page. This placeholder will get replaced automatically once we create the pages with the city name of each city. I also use the Elementor Maps widget in this example, where I can also enter the city placeholder. Now I save the template page and head over to the LPagery Pro dashboard. Here I select the template page we just created and can also set categories or parent pages if I want to. Once everything is set up, I select the radius input option and type in Berlin. Then I select Berlin, DEU. Here I can also set the minimum population of the cities I want to create pages for. For example, if I enter 25,000, LPagery will only find cities that have a larger population than 25,000. I can also set the radius in kilometers for which I want to create pages. This represents the radius in which your business operates. Lastly, I can select the maximum amount of cities I want to create pages for. In this case, I am leaving it empty because I want to create all pages that are possible. Then I click on Next and get an overview of all found cities around my location. When satisfied with this, I click on Create Pages. After the pages have been created, I can check my new pages to see a single page for each location around Berlin. In this case, I created 86 pages in a matter of seconds. As you can see in this example, the page for Wildau was correctly created and is now ready to rank in Google for your business. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.